Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll break down the complete wiring and working diagram of a split air conditioner, step by step. Whether you're a technician, student, or just curious, this video will help you understand how the indoor and outdoor units of a split AC are wired and work together. Let's get started. To begin with, we receive three main wires from the building's electrical supply: phase or live wire, neutral wire, earth wire. These wires first go into the distribution board where a miniature circuit breaker, MCB, is installed for safety. From there, the wiring passes through an isolator used to completely disconnect the unit during maintenance. The output from the isolator goes to the outdoor unit. This setup is commonly known as outdoor-fed indoor wiring, which means the outdoor unit receives power first and then passes it to the indoor unit. Note, some installations do it the other way around, called indoor-fed outdoor wiring, but the working principle remains mostly the same. In addition to the power wires, two control wires are also connected between the indoor and outdoor units. These are low-voltage wires responsible for communication and triggering components. These wires go from the indoor PCB, printed circuit board, to the contactor coil inside the outdoor unit. Whenever the indoor unit decides the compressor should start, based on room temperature, it sends a control signal to the contactor coil, energizing it, which then allows the main power to flow to the outdoor components. Now let's dive into the outdoor unit wiring. The main components involved here are contactor, dual run, capacitor, compressor, fan motor. Here's how the wiring is laid out. Phase and neutral wires from the isolator are connected to L1 and L2 terminals of the contactor. From the T1 terminal of the contactor, a phase wire goes to the common terminal of the dual capacitor. The same common terminal is then connected to the running terminals of both the compressor and the fan motor. The HERM terminal of the capacitor is connected to the start terminal of the compressor. The fan terminal of the capacitor is connected to the start terminal of the fan motor. Finally, the common terminals of both the compressor and fan motor are connected to the neutral terminal of the contactor. The earth wire should be securely connected to the metal body of the outdoor unit for safety. Let's now look at the working logic. When the AC is turned on, power flows from the MCB through the isolator into the outdoor unit and then to the indoor unit. The indoor unit starts working, the blower fan runs, and sensors start monitoring the room temperature. Initially, the contactor is open, so no power flows to the compressor or fan motor in the outdoor unit. When the indoor unit senses that cooling is needed, it sends a control signal via the control wires to the contactor coil in the outdoor unit. The coil gets energized and closes the contactor, allowing full voltage to reach the compressor and fan motor. At this moment, the capacitor sends an initial charge to the compressor and fan motor via the start terminals, HERM and fan, to help them start. After starting, the components switch to the run winding, which continues to operate via the main power supply. This entire startup happens in a split second. Once the room reaches the set temperature, the indoor unit stops sending the control signal. The contactor coil de-energizes power to the outdoor compressor and fan motor is cut off. The system goes into standby until cooling is needed again. This automatic cycle continues to maintain the desired room temperature efficiently. Understanding split AC wiring helps in both troubleshooting and installation. Always follow safety protocols and ensure connections are tight, insulated, and grounded properly. If you found this explanation helpful, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more HVAC and electrical tutorials. Got a question or doubt? Drop it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.